I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I am blessed once again to have a package before me that is Happy Mail from Winsley's World. Winsley is not her first name, and I won't say it because I don't know if she shares that online, but she named a mini Blythe, a Littlest Pet Store Blythe, after me. So I got a package, and I have had this sitting here for a few days. I'm working not only on February collab, but also March collab now because I'm sending them overseas, and they need to go so that hopefully they get there. It's not even the new year yet, and I'm worried, will they arrive? All right, I gotta find where to cut. It was well taped, and I like that because Happy Mails have a long way to travel, and I tape and tape and tape them. There is a card. Oh, it's really cute too. Look at it. Isn't that cute? Overlook my fingernails, they're a mess. Hello, Marna. I hope you like your Happy Meal. Forgive me, I'm really dyslexic. If you open the largest package first, some of the others that you open will make more sense. Thank you to both of you and to Darren for making such super videos, and thank you for your encouragement and friendship. Very best wishes, Kim. You see, I didn't want to say her name before she did. Kim is the owner of Winsley's World. It's an underrated channel. She needs subscribers, and she is worthy of your subscription. I will leave a link below and you can take a look at her channel. She has a lot of different dolls. She has a lot of really interesting dolls that you will want to see. Woohoo! Okay, large package first.
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. There's like, okay, I guess that's the large one. Look at all these. It's like, holy cow. All right, let's open this and see what we got. I try to reuse everything. Oh yeah, I can reuse that. Oh, and bubble wrap, I always reuse it. Oh, look what I got. And I do not have this doll. Bubble wrap. New in the box. Wow, thank you. I have seen these on channels. Oh, she's still... I'm going to have to cut her free. Let's do a little cutting here carefully. Oh, it's going to take a second. Okay, so I opened the large one, and what a lovely doll. I can't think of the line right now, and I know it. I'm really tired this morning. I know her name is Noah. Oh, wow. Look at the little bees. I will use those. In fact, I've got a collab coming up. I will use some of those for. Who can't use embellishments? When you're doing doll stuff, doll outfits, you're always looking for something different to, this is her blind bags. I did not know she came with blind bags, so let's, oh, Noah! See what I did there? Let's see what's in the blind bag. I got luckier than a lot of you because if you open this doll, you didn't get the double wrapping that I'm getting. Oh, look at this. How cute is her little bag? Let's see if I can open it with my bare paws this morning. My nails are a mess. I have been crafting like crazy. Isn't that cute? You could actually put something in that. I like that. Let's set that right there. And I think I see another blind bag in here. I do. I don't usually do blind bags, so I like when I get a surprise of a blind bag. It's very fun. Oh, looky here. She does have shoes. And they're like really good shoes. Very cool. Put those on her in a minute. Let's continue to open so that my cameraman, editor, uploader, producer doesn't have as many stops in the video. I want to be careful. Oh, I see. Here we go. Here it is. We were like, it had a stand, and it's like, oh no, how does it work? And I'm like looking at the back of her head, and oh, look at this. What are these? Huh, earrings. Those are earrings, I bet you. All right, we'll get this stand going. Always good to get a stand with it all. We'll put it all together in a minute. Like I said, I don't want my cameraman to have to do too much. He's working on a huge project right now. God love him for even taking the time to film this right now. He is a huge project. Night and day he's been working. Oh, look at this. I think, oh, yes it is. Look at this. Look at this adorable fabric. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, that is cute. I really like that. And look at this. I have a doll named Strawberry. It's a Blythe doll. And I did not have any small strawberry print, so that is very cool. She is going to get something made out of that maybe this spring when things slow down. It is wonderful to have so many friends out in YouTube land. I'm working on collabs. Oh, wow. Kim knows that I have just started knitting. In fact, she and I are going to be working on a collab, and I'll tell you more about that as it gets closer. I love this. Oh, look at that purple. Ooh. Purple and green. Oh, I love that. Thank you. And anyway, I started to say my collab notebook, we really do have collabs now through December, and I don't mean just one per month. I think every month has at least 4 already, and I love that. But I am really trying to get caught up ahead, and it's not happening. Oh, look at her little, oh, that is adorable. Her little hairbrush, that is really cute.
Looks like a mace weapon.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to think of, like a, I kept thinking a club. Now I wonder if that's for her. Yeah, it is, because it's got something here.
It's a ring for you to wear to match with her.
That's what I'm wondering, which it is. But it's got those little spacers in there. That's what I'm thinking. So it's no slide on her. All right. This is so cool, Kim. Oh, how cute is this? It is can't read it. Gelatines. How cute. Gelatines, how cute. Now, I'm going to do some cutting here. I don't want to cut the packaging. There might be instructions on there I need. And tear this up. This is something else I've not seen. There are aisles and aisles, and I see them opened on other channels like, I want one of those. And a lot of stuff we don't have here in our neck of the woods. They're in the States, don't misunderstand. But like the, what do they call, mini brands. We've looked, and when we do see them, they're really expensive. And it's like, oh, no. Oh, that's cute. Does it open? Oh, I see. And look, it's squishy. I bet her hair's all squishy. It is. How cute is that? That is really cute. Oh, Kim, this is a lot. Thank you so much. Sometimes I just don't even know what to say. So kind and generous. Our dogs are in the other room with pig ears, and this is so cool. It even has my name on it. Oh, Kim, this is so cool. I'm going to be carrying this to the library. Darren and I went to a Christmas festival in our hometown. And on the door, I saw this sign that said something about stitching or knitting or something on Mondays. And Darren says, that's just people telling stories. I'm like, I don't know. Because when we lived in Wisconsin, I used to go to a knitting or a needle thing where we did all sorts of things at the library. Some people spun. And
Fiber group, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a needle group where they did everything. They did needle pointing. And anyway, I was hoping to find that here, and I did. So now I can carry my stuff, my knitting and crocheting and whatnot, to the party in this. Kim, I really cannot thank you enough. Every item, every single item, I just love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, go visit Kim's channel. She will put the link below. Look around in her videos, because I'll bet you find something you want to see. Thank you so much, Kim, and thank each of you for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe.